Hi guys, it's Rachel from Easy Peasy Meals, and I am so excited to start my new series with you on wood-fired cooking. I've got my new wood-fired oven here. It's a brick oven. It's from Round Grove, and I can't wait to show you the whole process. So I have this great big cement pad in my backyard, and I've been wanting to do something fun with it for a long time. And I knew that I wanted a wood-fired oven. So I did my research and I found a company that customizes your outdoor kitchen build. It's called Round Grove. They make these amazing wood-fired ovens and fireplaces that you can get prefabbed, and they come with a scratch coating and you finish them how you want. In a later video, I'm gonna show you how we finish this space, but right now, I wanna talk to you guys about the process of getting my pizza oven. The first thing I did was go on the Round Grove site and look at their different ovens. I knew I wanted a brick oven with a mezzo firebox below, and I found one that fit my space and what I was looking to cook. I added wood boxes and accessories like an andiron, a wood-handled pizza stone brush, a stone scrubber, and a digital thermometer. I added a fun herringbone look for the fireplace, and then asked them to customize a countertop space for me. I loved that Round Grove was willing to customize my outdoor kitchen for me, making the countertop exactly how I wanted it. The right length, adding a cabinet, a cooler, and a fridge space. After I ordered everything, Round Grove stayed in great touch with me, letting me know how the fabrication was going and when it would be delivered. And then the day came that my pizza oven got here. I have been wanting a brick oven forever, so when that truck showed up at 6:45 in the morning, I was ready to unload. I'd borrowed a forklift and we got everything off the truck and into my yard. We took this blank space cement pad that had been sitting in my yard for 4 years with nothing on it, and we are turning it into an outdoor kitchen oasis that I'm gonna wanna spend all my time in. My vision included a pergola, a privacy wall for the hot tub, and plenty of seating so we can entertain family and friends as we have regular pizza nights and cook in this awesome brick oven. Of course, like any project, we ran into a few snafus. It had rained a lot the night before and my grass was really wet, so the forklift got stuck and we had to rent a skid steer to move the pizza oven to the cement pad. It was a lot of work and ripped up my grass, but it was worth it because I cannot wait to cook on it. Then I had a crew of family and friends come and help me build the pergola. Now that I've got the outdoor kitchen installed, it's time to finish it. So follow along as I take you through the process of turning this into the outdoor oasis I've been dreaming of.